In today's MXTV tip, it's all about organising. Now I got some great bulk kits from Bolt that are fantastic by themselves in their own storage compartments, but because I've got a couple of different models, I thought a good way of organising this is getting a multi-storage kit from Kincrome. Now it's got 4 different levels and very easy to slide in and out with the drawers, and also to organise your bolts. You'll see I've got a Yamaha compartment, a Kawasaki compartment, washers and old bolts. And this is a great way for storing your nuts and bolts and anything little that you might pull off the bike and you might want to use later on. And it's very easy to find, easy to flip the lid up. It's a great way to keep yourself organised. So I've found the multi-storage organiser to be fantastic for me. I hope it works for you.